Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Indonesia. Good morning, the world. Yeah. This morning, I like to talk to you about English as a language and also an international one. Yeah. By mastering English, means that you know much about the world, knowledge and experiences by talking about everything in the language. By mastering English means that you will lead the word, and then everything will be very good for you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Good morning.